Okay, so something I've been looking at for quite some time has been the weekly. The weekly's been helping out super a big amount. And the first thing is okay. So the first thing I'm looking at with this weekly is how's the weekly behaving? When you got these candles right here, we got the high traded through. Once that high got traded through, this candle closed red. The next week, the low got traded through. Then the next week, this high got traded through. This is so funny what's going on. And then it got traded through with this candle. And then eventually we got to this high. Also, that one got traded through. But then this week, when this happened, the market went and took out this high. I mean, this low. And it's almost like it's moving in zigzags, all right. And I guess what they call that megaphone pattern or something. I don't know. But you can see right here, like how the market is how it's like, let me take this magnet thing off, how the market is like somewhat doing this expansive is doing this expansive thing. I mean, I don't believe in that pattern. I don't really care for it. But that's not the focus of this video real quick. But the focus is that how, because we took out the weekly low, I'm looking for this to close green and for us to take out the weekly high of this week coming up. um can we get a pause week? Can we get something where it ends up being an inside candle of this week? That's possible. But the thing is, this really becomes a focus with this candle the way it is. So I've been watching this thing for some time and noticed that it's really doing that. The monthly is closing bullish. So again, it gives permission for that idea to play out. There's no doubt in my mind that that idea is not really gonna play out because the monthly already ran the low of the previous month, and now we're running into the high. So this is serving as a fair value gap right here, this thing. And starting out the new month, I really see that that thing is going to want to play out. Plus, we got some other time frames that are really bullish, and yeah, what else did I have to speak about with this? This thing is still bullish. It's still holding bullish. Um we've got this resistance right here that needs to be responded to. But right now it looks like it's causing a clean reaction. We still got time left in the day. Taking us back down into support. You would get this as a first area, or even this, that 104,874 area. But I want to see us close over 105.4 and change. We've got a lot of major candle closes today. We got a 5 day, we got a 10 day, we got a 2 day, we got a 3 day, we got a 1 day. We got all that stuff happening. And oh, let me show you some other stuff before I check out. 20 minutes. Okay, hold on. This will also be the monthly's highest candle closing that we've seen so far. That's one thing that I wanted to speak about. The next thing that I'm bringing my focus to is going to be highest closing on the weekly. So getting over 104, 181 on this Binance US dollar chart, which I never use or never look at, just needed a clean chart. This is about the only thing that's clean. I mean, you can see all these different tabs. Look at this. So uh, this is something that I'm watching for. I'm watching for it to act as support with the daily close over it today, meaning that the market can come down to this within like the next day and also start to push up higher. So we have that on the weekly, and we also have that on as far as for the daily, we are not there as yet. The highest candle close is this one right here, and that's what we're rejecting off of. So that's all I see right now at the market. But I thought all of this stuff was really interesting to pay attention to, because if you want to know why am I paying attention to it, because when you get a candle close over the highest, you typically get this to happen right there, that to happen right there. Um, so the next candle was red, inside candle, and then this candle shot up above that right there and was able to deliver profits for those wanting to um, get out. But it also continued to go higher, and we got that candle out of it. So again, we're looking for something that's going to be similar to that situation when BTC does get above that area. But you could see this wick took out all of this stuff right here. So we have a lot of stuff up here to be taken out. And that's the stuff I'm paying attention to right now.